It's supposed to be the most wonderful time of the year, but we know that sometimes the holidays can also be stressful for those living with mental health challenges. The National Alliance on Mental Health Illness says more than half of Americans already struggling. The holidays make everything worse. So joining me now is Dr. Anat Geva, a clinical psychologist from Health One Behavioral Health and Wellness Center. First of all, tell us, why can this time of year be so triggering for some?
The holidays are the time of year when we meet family, when we have history and we have memories. And a lot of times these are the exact triggers that can press our buttons with memories of times that were not so great or interactions that did not go so well. For some of us, it reminds us of all the things we don't have, and it can bring up a lot of emotions that are hard to process because there is that expectations of being happy and being joyous. So that balance of wanting that, but also having very strong feelings.
Absolutely. And tell us, too, how the holiday season can be lonely, even if you're surrounded by friends and family. It's not always mean that it's easy.
No, not at all. For those of us who have those strong feelings, sometimes it's really hard. We don't want to share them. We don't want to dampen someone else's joy, but then the isolation of not having someone to talk to, and also not feeling that something is wrong with us, so not wanting to out that. So it's that double whammy of not fitting in and not feeling like you can share it when everyone else seems to be connected and happy.
Right. And, tell us what people who are battling with mental health, what can they do to help themselves?
First of all, it is really to acknowledge that you're having a hard time, and it's normal to have a hard time. Even people without mental health challenges are struggling sometimes during the holidays. So give yourself a little bit of grace and recognize that it can happen. The second thing is to come prepared, to know what your game plan is. Who are you going to celebrate with? When are you going to go? When do you call it a night? And if there are some triggers, being prepared, what are you going to do when these happens? And have safe people that you can talk to and debrief yourself so that if you are escalated and struggling, they can help you, or they can help you find that next step.
Absolutely. Some great advice. And I know a lot of people are stressed too, after the holidays, we look forward to next year. So how can we prepare for next year to make things go maybe a bit more smoothly?
Well, really, it is about being prepared. And as you have thoughts of what you will need this coming year, start a list. Start a list on your phone, start a list on your computer, even a handwritten list, because sometimes we get overwhelmed with so many parts that jiggle through our brain, and having them all collected in one place helps us organize. What I would also recommend is to cross things off as you get through them, because sometimes the perception is that we've run around, that we've done so many things and we haven't gotten anywhere. And when we see those lines crossed off, it gives us a sense of satisfaction. It helps calm us down. And then we can prepare for that next step, that next line.
Yeah, that is always a good feeling. Well, thank you so much for all of this. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much, and happy holidays.
Yes, absolutely. And remember, you can watch all of our health interviews right now on cbscolorado.com.